Hey guys, it's Mad Chen here. I hope you're all doing well. Do you struggle in how to make perfect triangles in Procreate? If so, I'll show you 2 ways in how to make a perfect triangle. You'll want to stay until the end of the video since I'll do a comparison of the 2 methods to see which triangle is the best one to use for your projects. Welcome back, guys. For the first method, we're gonna draw a triangle like so, and when you've closed your shape, hold your pen in place for a few seconds so that we can get a basic triangle shape. Then we'll click on editing up here, then click on the triangle tab, which will turn our shape into a perfect triangle. If you're enjoying the content so far, you can give this video a like and comment below to let me know if this is helpful. If you have any problems, you can also leave your questions down below. Now let's get back to the tutorial. For the second method, we're gonna draw a triangle like so. Once I close my shape, I'm going to hold my pen in place for a few seconds so that we can get a basic triangle shape. Then I'll use a finger from my other hand to tap and hold on the screen for a few seconds, which will turn our shape into a perfect triangle. When you're happy, just lift your pen and finger off the screen. I want to mention that you should only use this second method if you're looking to get an equal length for all 3 sides. As we spoke about earlier, here's a comparison of the 2 methods. I've zoomed each one to 200% to make it easier for you to compare. Each one of these methods are useful, however, the triangle that you choose to use will depend on your project. Here's another comparison where each of the methods have been zoomed to 400%. I hope these comparisons will help you decide which triangle to use. Now you know how to make a perfect triangle in Procreate. You can also learn more about Procreate by watching my other tutorials, which I'll leave a link above and also in the description below. And I'll see you in the next Procreate tutorial. And as always, thanks for watching.